Traders who don't understand price action are essentially gambling with their finances. Here's how I know. Hello fellow traders, I'm Trader Tom with over a decade and a half of experience, as well as the founder of Simply Forex Trading Academy. I'm opening the doors to just 20 ambitious traders for my elite weekly masterclasses, where you get the chance to join an inner circle where ordinary traders turn into market experts. Dive deep into the art of price action trading across 4 intensive sessions. You'll emerge with ability to spot high probability trades, execute with confidence, and achieve consistent gains. Secure your spot immediately. Don't miss this exclusive opportunity to kickstart your journey. Can't wait to see you in class.
Hello traders, how are we? It's been a while. Trader Tom here from Simply Forex, the channel created to help you succeed at trading. Guys, I have been so ill. It is unbelievable. I shouldn't even be laughing. Honestly, I don't know what I caught, but I have just been wiped out. Yeah, I'm still not 100%, but I am 1,000 times better than what I was. And, you know, thank you guys for all the get well soons and wishing me well. And, you know, really appreciate it, guys. Yeah, so thank you very much. I think I've survived it. Yeah, please. I would not wish that on my worst enemy. Anyway, enough about that. I'm back. Let's do this crazy world of trading together. So today is Monday, the 22nd of May, guys, and we've got nothing to recap, yeah, because I just haven't been trading. Like I said, it's been wiped out. And don't even try and trade if you're sick. It's, you know, not conducive. So today's my first day back, guys. All right. So there's going to be nothing to recap. We're just going to get straight into the trade ideas for today. All right. And the first one is Aussie dollar, Swiss franc. Generally speaking, guys, I am seeing Aussie dollar. I'm going to spell it. My mouse drawing skills are still wonderful. The sickness hasn't affected them. Aussie dollar strength, guys, is generally what I'm seeing and a bit of a catalyst for the trades today. Okay, so Aussie dollar Swiss franc is one such trade. This is the one I like. There are other Swiss franc pairs, obviously, you know this, but and they're still very bullish, but some of them are a little overbought, right? If you look at Euro, sorry, that's an old target. If you look at Euro Swiss franc, right, yeah, it's still bullish, still broke these highs. You know, that's still a potential trade, but a little overbought. Pound Swiss franc, again, you know, bullish candle, but a little bit overbought up here. All right, still potential trades, but the one I like is Aussie dollar Swiss franc, okay, because it's just closer to the moving average 20, right? And instead of creating higher highs, Aussie dollar Swiss franc has a nice area to move into. We have a nice target up here. Okay, so yeah, I prefer the value of this trade and the clear target that we have as well compared to those other Swiss franc trades. All right, so Aussie dollar Swiss franc. Let's just recap why we do like it. So we're in an uptrend, clearly. We've retraced. You know, we're not a million miles away from the moving average 20, and we've had a nice, this is a bullish engulfing candlestick. Bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, yeah? So, yeah, bullish candle. We're just going to try and take it back up to these highs here. So, if we look at the H4, we do have, there's a couple of things to contend with here, yeah? If we take a H1 entry, we will be against H4. So do we wait for a H4 break? These are the riveting, pivotal questions that I ask myself every day, but they are important, guys, jokes aside. So if you're trading the H4, right, you really need to wait for a break of this level, right? Let's just say price does this, bang, we get a break of this level, because then H4 structure's changed. All right, we break through this level here, bullish candle, we can start buying. Okay, so that's the first potential idea. The second idea is this is H1. So H1 is clearly in an uptrend, right? Started breaking structure in here, and then it's been in an uptrend ever since. Now, we can trade the H1 a bit more aggressively. You can see this level down the bottom here, where price has reacted many times. So we could wait for a retrace into that level. All right, so price retraces down, moving average 20 catches up. This could be a really nice entry. And we get a bullish candle. But bear in mind, guys, we still haven't broken the H4 structure at this point. But I would still take this trade. If I get a bullish reaction, I would then buy this back up to this level. Okay, back up to the last H4, because you don't know if price is going to react there again. I would take some profit here and then leave some profit to run. All right, so that's Aussie dollar, Swiss franc. I also like Euro Aussie dollar sells. Okay, so let's start with the weekly chart with this one. So the weekly chart, you know, we was in this horrible mess of a chart, really. And then price has broken down. And when it's retraced, it still hasn't broken this level, right? This level of support and resistance has held, okay? Yeah, you can see that here. If I zoom in, the top wick of the weekly candle has closed back in, right? Now, if we drop down to the day chart, we can see that more clearly, right? We've got, you know, a very bearish daily candle form, all right? Now, again, if we just follow structure, okay, guys, and if you're not clear how to find structure or understand structure, we are doing a masterclass soon, and there are 20 seats available for this masterclass. Okay, so if you're interested, check out the link in the video description, guys. All right. So yeah, you can see we're in a downtrend stroke range. Okay, this is what we're seeing, right? We're in a downtrend stroke range. So if we're in a downtrend stroke range, it makes sense to come from the top of the range back down to the bottom of the range. Yeah, we're in this higher time frame downtrend. Yeah, we've got a nice bearish candle at the top of the range. Let's try and take it back down to the bottom of the range. Yeah, simple as that, guys. Again, just price action, logical, keep it simple. Yeah, just trade what you see. Now, if we drop down to the lower time frames, okay, so H4 is still in an uptrend, really. Yeah, so H4 is still in an uptrend. Okay, but look at this bearish response we've had on Friday. Now, if we drop down to the H1, okay, we've already had a H1 breakdown. Okay, yeah, it's broken these lows here. These lows were holding, break. Okay, so we've had a nice break of structure. We're below the moving average 20. Okay, so what do we want to see? So potentially retrace back up to here, yeah, where we get a nice bearish candle and we can start selling, right? That's the first idea. Or it might look, price is here. Price might just break this level. Okay, if that happens, again, fine, we can start selling here, put our stop above here, and then I would still probably make this my first target in here. Yeah, take some profit and then let some profit run. All right, so more Aussie dollar strength here, Euro Aussie dollar sells. And then also, guys, I'm looking at a couple of US dollar pairs. But before I do, let me just mention a few things before the editor beats me. I forgot to do it earlier on in the vid, so he will definitely beat me if I don't. First of all, guys, if you haven't joined our free Discord community, then why not, right? We've got like-minded traders sharing knowledge, ideas, experiences. So come join the free Discord channel. We'd love to have you guys. All right, you just register, we let you in. Next one, guys. Also, we're doing a free access to our VIP Trading Academy right now. That is free access, right? We give you all of my trade signals. I give you all of my tutorials of things that I've learned over the years, and you get direct access to me, guys. So you can ask me questions if you're stuck with anything to do with your trading. All right, and that is free right now. Check out the promo. Also, guys, you can become a YouTube supporter if you would like to show your support for the channel. You can become a Simply Forex YouTube supporter, and there's many, many perks for doing so, guys. So check all of these things out. They are all in the video description. The editor will no longer hurt me. Right, trades. I'm also looking at Aussie dollar, US dollar, right? This was you know, a trade, this Aussie dollar strength's a trade idea, and it's still carrying through, all right? So as you can see, we are in an uptrend, okay? Simple as that. Price is retraced to the moving average 20, which we like, yeah? We've got a bullish-ish candle. Not super bullish, but bullish enough for us to take it back up to these daily highs. How unprofessional, I haven't put in a target. Yeah, back up to those daily highs there. If we drop down to the H4, again, we're in a H4 downtrend. This seems to be the theme with our trades today, right? We're in a H4 downtrend. That is in no doubt, right? But if you look at the H1, these have all broken up, you know, building up nicely. So again, I would be willing to take a trade from this level in here. You can see price has reacted in here before. We've got the moving average 20 coming round. If price retraced into here, we got a bullish reaction, okay? I would still take some profit back at these highs, because like I say, that would be the last H4 high, or even this could become the last H4 high. Either way, I'd take some profit and then leave some profit to run, okay? So yeah, Aussie dollar, US dollar, looking to buy that. And finally, there is more Euro US dollar. If we look at the day chart, yeah, similar story to Aussie dollar, US dollar. Yeah, we're in this uptrend. We've retraced to a nice level of support, okay? We've got a nice bullish candle, and the idea would be to take it back up to the daily highs. Again, it's like a mirror. You know, what I do is like a mirror image. It's just rinse and repeat, okay? That's all we need to do, guys. Just keep looking for the same things, your same setup, rinse and repeat, all right? And this is a rinse and repeat. So Euro US dollar, for all those reasons, we'll be looking to buy. If we drop down to the H4, again, they're all in, all of the trade ideas are pretty much going against H4 trend. All right, I just want you to be aware of that. So really what we need to wait for here is going to be a break of this level, okay? I'm going to wait for a break, something like this. We get a break through this level, then I'm going to start buying Euro US dollar, okay? Back up to this level. Why am I not willing to take a H1 trade? Well, maybe I would be, but there's not really a clear H1 level in here, right? But what I would consider is this: if price moves back down to the moving average 20, yeah, we get a bullish reaction. Again, I would consider buying that back up to this level. Yeah, take some profit, let some profit run. All right, guys. So yeah, those are my trade ideas for today. I must say it's good to be back, and I'm not violently sick, so this is all wonderful. But let's take a look at the news now. So news for Monday, the 27th of May. Well, the big news really is that it's a bank holiday. Yeah, so the UK and the United States are on holiday. The market is going to be very, very thin, guys. Yeah, there's not going to be a lot of volume in the market. You know, having said that, if I get a setup, I will still take it. But yeah, volume's going to be very low. The moves might not have the push that we need to get in. So we'll see. Just play it by ear. But there is a few bits of news that we must be aware of. At 9 o'clock, coming out of Germany, if you're in a euro trade, these three together, German business expectations, current assessment, and business climate, are like a 3-star rating. This could move any euro pairs. But other than that, guys, you've got the Euro group meetings, but other than that, guys, no other news to think of. All right, guys. So if you're trading, great. If you're not, enjoy your bank holiday. And we're still going to do a live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST time. All right. So see you for that. See you later, guys.